Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving off Spur Tree Hill. We're heading from Mandeville to Santa Cruz and we are coming off Spur Tree Hill, or we're driving over Spur Tree Hill. But because of the direction we're going, Mandeville to Santa Cruz, we're going down the hill. So this is the main road you would have to take if you're driving from Mandeville to St. Elizabeth or Westmoreland. This road is on the south coast of Jamaica and there is no alternate route. There's no highway, there's no bypass. You just have to go over the hill. Now, a highway is going to be built one day. That's Highway 2000, which will run from Kingston to Montego Bay. However, that road is being built in sections and the highway has reached as far as Mandeville now, or Manchester. So as of today, there is no highway and there is no bypass for this hill as of today. Now the government announced that it's going to be building a Spur Tree Hill bypass that will eventually be a part of Highway 2000. It's not uncommon for the highway to use existing bypasses as a part of the route. So, however, there's no start date has been announced for the Spur Tree Hill bypass project. It's still in the planning phase. So as of today, there is no alternate route. You have to go over this hill. Now there are times when this road gets blocked, and then when that happens you have to take a detour, but you drive through a lot of bauxite roads that belong to the bauxite company, and it's a long, tedious drive. So the main road is this road that we're on. So we are now in the parish of St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth is one of the largest parishes, or one of the larger parishes in Jamaica. Okay, if you turn left here, you'd go to Alligator Pond, you would go to Junction, continue a lot of places up in St. Elizabeth. But St. Elizabeth is one of the larger parishes in Jamaica, but it's not the largest. The largest parish in Jamaica is St. Anne. So we're actually coming off the hill now. Actually, I think we're off Spur Tree Hill. This is the Goshen area. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.